started, we should know today's day and date. So I would like to call Nikun Sasne from grade 1st.
Good morning, respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Nikun Sasne. I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's date is Thursday and today's date is 26th September 2024. Thank you, have a nice day.
Thank you, Nikunj. Thought reflects our life. So I would like to call Tanay from grade 3rd.
Good morning, respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, and all my dear friends. My name is Tambe. I am studying in 1st standard. Today I am going to tell you today's good thought. Today's good thought is nothing will work unless you do. Meaning of this thought is even great plans and ideas need action to become successful. Thank you and nice day ahead.
Thank you, Tanay. History tells us what had happened on this day. So I would like to call Shri from grade 7 to tell this day in history.
Good morning, students, principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am going to present history of the day. First, human resource professional update. Second, World Maritime Day. Third, National Day of Fish and Worship. Fourth, in 1992, NASA launches the mass of the world. Fifth, in 2008, China launches sensor with creation of. Thank you, have a nice day ahead.
You Shreyas, yous are the mirrors of our society. So I would like to call Jayavardhan Desai from grade 5th.
Good morning, respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Jayavardhan Desai, studying grade 5th. Today I am going to tell today's news headlines. First, PM Modi interact with tech leaders in USA. Discuss India's growth prospects. Second, IMD predicts heavy rainfall across India this week. Third, RTC takes charge as the Elysium. Fourth, Chess Olympiad 2024, India's greatest straight. Medal gold in men's and women's title. Fifth, new education policy updates. Government introduced new reforms at improving digital literacy in rural schools. 6. Chandrayaan 3 latest mission updated. 7. Indian origin founder reveals wearable device that gives you infinite memory of life. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Jayavardhan. Idioms can help you speak more fluently in English. So I would like to call Anaya Kumar from grade 4th.
Good morning to one and all present over here. My name is Amya Kumar. I am standing before you to tell today's idiom. Today's idiom is beating a dead horse. It means overthinking something that is pointless. Sentence: he is trying to get his novel published, but I think he is beating a dead horse. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you, Anaya. Now we are going to learn a new word, that is vocabulary of the day. So I would like to call Dherashil Saunge from grade 5th.
A marvelous morning to respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Myself, Dherashil Saunge from grade 5th, standing before you to tell today's vocabulary of the day. Today's vocabulary of the day is carp. I repeat my word, carp. Its spelling is C-A-R-P, carp. Meaning, complain continuously. Sentence: some children keep carping about bad facilities in their life. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Dherashil. Today is birthday of our friend Himanshu Mohta. So let us wish him.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear friend. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you.
attend Shraddha School of Excellence CBSE. You all make my birthday special and all you. I am grateful my bottom heart